In this video, I will guide you how you can change Ubisoft email without using your own email address. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on account information. Then you need to simply go for the email address and click on edit. Now you just need to click on the change, and what you need to do is to simply click on the send button, and email with a link to change your email address will be sent to your current address. Now, if you don't want to use your personal email, you can use temporary emails. You can simply search for temporary emails on your Google, and you can simply follow the on-screen instructions and open up any official website, and then whenever you will receive the code, you will be able to use that particular email into your Ubisoft account instead of using your personal email. So that's the only way right now of how you can change Ubisoft email without using your own email address.